To live in a country where they could create their own future, in a country of equality of opportunity, of free markets, and of free enterprise. And that is why the Serbian community has prospered. This is a community of entrepreneurs, of innovators. When you think of Tesla, the great Serbian scientist, this is a community and culture of innovation, of enterprise, of a work ethic. And I want you to know that you now have an Alberta government that champions those values, that wants to liberate small business people, entrepreneurs, and innovators to prosper, to create wealth, to create jobs, to create opportunity. That's why we're cutting it. That is why in the legislature that is meeting next week, we will be eliminating the carbon tax and cutting taxes on job creators. And Ambassador, I hope that we can leverage renewed growth and optimism in Alberta's economy to deepen our two small trade relationships with Serbia. The good news of potential direct flights is an important step forward between Canada and Serbia. So to all of you, thank you very much. Živeli Serbia. God bless Canada. Hvala. Bog blagoslovi.